Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Limra. Today I have very interesting and amazing topic on YouTube. Let's start. YouTube is a social media application. YouTube is very important app. We can learn anything on this app. We can study with the help of YouTube. You can find YouTube in every mobile phone. Now time it has take a very big position. We should not give mobile phone to the children. People working on YouTube are called YouTubers. We can also earn money from YouTube by becoming a YouTube creators. Many students also use this application for their studies. Elders also use this application according to their needs. People from all over the world upload to share experience, talent and ideas. You can find videos about gaming and music and education more on YouTube. Viewers can like, comment and subscribe and to their favorite channel to stay update. YouTube is very popular website where you can watch videos on many different topics. I also use this application for my studies and entertainment. Thank you. Have a nice day.